The last four double vowel symbols are an O and an A. As you make the transition from these two sounds, from sound 1 to sound 2, O-A, you hear a W sound in there, and that's what it is, wa. The next one is an U sound, and that's going to transition to an A sound, an aw sound, pardon me. So that's oo-wah, oo-wah. So we just say wa. This is wa, this is wa. The next one is an O sound, and then we have that H-looking character. Way, way, as in wait, as in bait, but with a W. Wait a second. Wait. Way. Wait. Way. And the next one that we have is an oo sound, and this guy, that's a we, like in weather. We, as in weather. We. So we, wa, and wa. And those are the four double vowel sounds that added up to the other 6 make 10. That's it for the last 4 of the double vowel sounds. So on. Thanks for listening. I hope you've enjoyed it. And this is Hoboken Garrett saying bye-bye now.